Welcome back. We're going to make spring rolls. Some people call this type of spring roll summer rolls. And the wrapper for a summer roll is made of rice. We need to talk about the filling first. The filling, some fresh lettuce, a half dozen or so leaves, some scallion, parsley, chop that up. And you can use cilantro, you can use basil, pea shoots, cucumber. I'm going to make some thin strips of cucumber, carrot sticks as we know, snow pea pods, chopped up lettuce, and some shrimp, medium shrimp cut just in half, using my knife here like that, not cutting towards my hand if possible. I'm going to quickly dip the wrapper into some water. And what will happen is you'll see it pretty much disappears. It turns clear. And now I'm going to pull it out, put it down. It's best not to use a wooden surface. The wrapper is absorbing the liquid and it's softening up. Put on the shrimp first. And I like to put the shrimp on the outside. There we have that. Now I'll put on my lettuce. Make sure you don't overload these. Cucumber, maybe a half a dozen carrot sticks, pea pod, lettuce, and parsley. The wrapper is very, very flexible now. Come up over this ingredients. You're going to enclose it, and then you're just going to kind of push it back so it's in a roll. Just give it a slight roll. Then I'm going to take the corner here. I'm going to close that end. And I'm going to take this corner, I'm going to close this end. And then I'm going to just wrap that right up. And there you have a summer roll. Cut it at, maybe at a 45-degree angle. Perfect. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.